Hi, I'm Ann Butler. Welcome back to my studio. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to create some little spice wraps with craft attitude. Let's get started. So to get started, we're going to use the Decor Attitude. It is a printable film that you use in your inkjet printer. It comes like this in the package, and there are 8 sheets. And what you're going to do is write out your words on your computer, pick a font that you like, and you're going to mirror image it so that when we apply it to the fabric, it will show the right side out. And you can see here I did smaller writing and larger writing. That's because some of the jars I used are large, where I would want the larger font, and some are small. So I just wasn't sure what I was going to use, so I did a variety. And for these spices, we dry them every year, and we usually grind them up right away, but I thought it would be nice to have them sitting out dried, and then I could just crumble them up as we use them throughout the winter. What else you're going to need is some burlap. Now you want to wrap it around the jar and add about 1 inch. And you're going to want different widths depending upon how large your jar is. So here's the wider one for a large jar. And I used sticky back Velcro. Now with the sticky back Velcro, I'm able to use this and it'll stop the fraying. I purposely pulled some of the threads here to fray the edges, but with the sticky back Velcro, I was able to put the hooks or the loop side here and the hook side here, and that's going to stop it from fraying any further, and I'll be able to wrap it around my jar. So at this point, you determine which wrap this is for, and I'm using this for the oregano, and I'm going to use the large written oregano, and you just simply cut this out. Now you can use a spray adhesive or a glue stick to attach this to the fabric. It's that quick and easy. I am going to take and spray this in a well-ventilated area and be right back. So the spray adhesive I used is Aleene's Fast Grab, and it takes about 30 seconds, and it's sticky. You can tell because my fingers are sticking to the box. So just follow the manufacturer's instructions for the product you're using. And I'm going to just take this and kind of center it and press. So you can use a brayer, you can use your fingers. You just want to give it a really good pressing, and then you're going to loosen it up here at one edge and pull. So that's it. That's how easy it is. You can see where I cut. You can cut it a lot closer if you want. So that's how easy it is to make some little spice wraps for your jars. And now you can have those sitting out on your counter, and you'll know what spice is what quickly and easily. That's it for this time. Have fun, be creative.